ayusin. Sabi ko kay Inay actually nung una, Inay, sorry pa, I love you ma. Pero nung una kong na-meet si Inay, sabi ko, wala, natatakot ako kay Inay, paano kaya? Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, Inay, pwede ko po ba kayong tawaging mama? Yung unang reaction. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, oo naman, nung look test po namin to, and ngayon, anak niya na talaga ako.
And can I, go ahead.
Anak ko si Bel sa puso ko.
Right.
Sa pelikula to.
Can I just say, bago Alan yung next question mo noon, parang this is so refreshing to the eyes kay Bel. Kasi nasanay kami na napapanood namin si Bel with, you know, Donnie, yung kanilang tandem, kanilang partnership. It's just so nice to see Bel working with the legends. With Inay Maria, with Piola Pascual, and refreshing then to work with Juan Carlos and Joshua Garcia. Na I feel like Bel is no longer a Gen Z rising star. For me, Bel is now a Gen Z superstar. Nagpa-flashback sa isip ko now, that day that I went to Star Cinema office na nag-uusap kayo ni Direk Cathy. Doon yung una nating binrake sa kanila na you're doing this big solo project. Bel.
Yes, and it's truly such an honor po to be able to work with, of course, these artists that I really look up to in the industry, and of course to Star Cinema. It's such an honor to be able to do this project, and it's such, ang ganda-ganda ng mensahe nito, and just to be able to be part of the cast itself, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso, and pinagpapasalamat ko po yun.
Thank you, Bel.
Thank you.
Alan, your next question?
Supposed to be, my question is for Direk Cathy, pero tanong ko na lang kay Inay Maria. Opo. Follow-up ko lang po yung sinabi ni Bel kanina. Naramdaman niyo po ba na dun sa mga first scene niyo ni Bel, kinabahan siya? And how do you, kumbaga, pinakalma siya? At paano sinuportahan po yung eksena niyo together?
Papaguhin ko lang yung kinabahan siya. Wala siyang kaba. Wala! Hindi ko nakita yun. Hindi ko nakita yun. Ang nakita ko yung mga mata niya eh. Mga mata, ang ganda-ganda ng mata. At saka, isa pa talagang natural siya umarte. Totoo ang arte niya, hindi siya umaarte. Totoo lahat yung pinakita niya. Genuine lahat.
JK,
that's why I said, oh anak, mahusay ka, alam mo ba yun? So, ipaghusayin mo pa para mas mahabang panahon pa ang makita ng mga fans mo na nandito ka sa industriyang ito. Kailangan ka ng industriya.
Alam niyo po ba, share ko lang, first scene ko with Mama, para kasing medyo heavy yung scene. Not really heavy, diba po? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, binigyan niya ako ng tip. Sabi niya, Nak, ibuga mo lahat bago mo ibigay, mas naramdaman mo. And siguro yun yung mga isang lessons ko na mababaon ko. Talagang kailangan, hasta yung paghinga mo, kailangan ako pa rin si Jerry. Yun talaga yung mababaon kong lesson dito, na bawat buong pagkatao ko dito sa buong movie na to, na kailangan ako si Jerry. And I wouldn't do it without the help of Mama.
May sinasabi si JK.
Wala ba? Sakto yung music.
Ano sinabi ko? Ay, oo, hindi. Kasi naka-work ko na si nagsasend comments din kami dito habang nag-uusap sila na naka-work ko na rin si Bel, and parang working with her now, I personally feel super proud of what she's achieved, and magaling. Magaling yung punso namin. So proud.
Pambato namin yan eh.
Pambato namin yan.
Alright, Alan?
APM.
Okay ka na doon. Next is si Chad. Chad of Manila Feed. Tatanong Justin, paano lang kay Chad, please?
Ikaw MJ.
Ako na lang, Chad. O di ako. For Juan Carlos, what scene moved you the most while filming? And how did this film change your perspective on saying goodbye or moving on in terms of your relationship with your family?
Hala, hindi kasi feeling ko, di ko rin pwede i-spoil, no? Oo, bawal. Talk to my lawyer na lang po.
Ay, grabe. Pero how did it change now? How did this film change your perspective?
We did this particular scene. Okay, sige. We did this particular scene, magkakasama kaming lahat. Maybe sa may bandang, medyo papalapit to sa dulo ng pelikula. So medyo, okay, doon na tayo. I'm not sure if it really particularly changed anything, the whole concept of saying goodbye, because I don't think anybody wants to say goodbye. I grew up with my lola, and my lola's getting older every time. And, you know, this whole idea of someone not being there anymore, I don't like it. So, actually, as a person, I also don't like saying goodbye in general. I always like saying see you again. So, I don't know. Yeah. Medyo mabigat. Pero, yeah. Next question siguro.
No, totoo naman yun eh. Mabigat naman talaga eh. The trailer itself.
Hindi kasi ayoko bumalik dun eh.
Pero mabigat, pero is it liberating?
I don't know. Not sure like how I can answer that one.
Okay. Baka it's also spoiler.
Or baka andun, yeah, baka, kasi medyo fresh pa rin eh. Like, kaya nga like the whole sepangs like,
ako feeling ko yun yung magiging objective natin after we see the movie. Mabigat, pero
magaan after. Siguro,
we'll define it.
Liberating, yeah.
We'll define it. Ibang magiging definition ko, ibang magiging definition mo, ibang magiging definition nila. And we'll all find that out once we see the movie. Belle, you're saying something?
Just in addition to what you said, I think when we watch this film, mabigat siya, like, just to continue with what you're saying, but it's also a release. Diba? It's also a release of emotions. And there's freedom to that. And I think that's when the liberating comes. Diba?
Agree. Next, we have Carl June Canonoy of Kapatid Insider. Carl June, you're here?
Hello.
Go ahead.
Hello, good evening and congrats sa napaganda niyong movie. Okay,
Parang mo na?
Ay, di pa.
Di pa.
Congrats lang.
Congrats lang.
Okay, question po for Direk. Since wala po si Direk, yung mga creators na lang po. What message or theme does Meet, Greet, and Buy want to leave with the audience?
How does this want to leave with the audience?
Yes.
Siguro, very short lang para at least hindi ma-spoil yung pelikula din na gusto namin masabi dito is love like there is no tomorrow because tomorrow is never promised. So, cherish our moments with our loved ones. Siguro yun.
May gusto ko yung itadap yung sa isang creator po.
Siguro, ang pagmamahal sa isang pamilya ay walang katapusan. Yun po yung pwede ko ma-share ngayon. Kasi panoorin na lang po natin sa November 12 sa Sinehan.
Okay, thank you po. And next question for Ben.
Very showbiz ni Jumbo. Sumo-showbiz na, Mizzelle, no?
Mas mga artista rin sa likod na ako
Artista
Natakot
yan?
siya mag-spoil.
Oo. Artista na si Jumbo. Okay, thank you. Maraming
pa po.
Go ahead.
Kay Ben naman po.
Opo.
How does this film differ from the usual family dramas we've seen before?
Okay, actually, this film, it talks about so many topics. Every family is distinct, I would say. Bawat pamilya ay may istorya. And specifically, this story talks about mama. And I think that's what differs it. It's our relationship with mama, it's our relationship with our siblings, and also adding to that, ang dynamic kasi ng characters namin, sobrang daming layers. But when you say it, it's such a beautiful picture to say. And that's what differentiates this film from other family movies.
Maricel, kung meron po kayong comment.
Okay ka na doon?
Okay na po.
Alright, maraming salamat, Carl Jun. Our next set of questions ay manggagaling kay Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Ako ba magtatanong o ako na lang, Jay, no? Okay, salamin na naman. Meet, Greet, and Buy ang name ng movie. Can you give us names na unang pumapasok sa isip nyo sa mga words na yan? Who do you want to meet? Who do you always want to greet? At sino naman ang gusto nyong sabihan ng bye? Uy! Ano naman yun? Meet, greet, and buy. Jake. Juan Carlos.
Ba't
Sino gusto mong ma-meet?
Ang hirap ng tanong na to.
Who do you want to meet?
Ba't sa akin na pupunta yung mga tanong na?
Hindi, sa inyong lahat.
Hindi, who do you want to... Is this in general or related to the film? In general? Sino gusto ko ma-meet? Hindi ko pa naiisip actually. Sino gusto kong... Yung meet, di ko pa sure. Yung who do you always want to greet? Maybe... actually tomorrow if I have some free time, I wanna greet my lola kasi matagal ko na rin dinikita si lola. Hi La, nanonood ka ngayon. Medyo na-busy din, sorry. Libre kita ng tacos. Tapos, yun na naman ang gusto mong sabihin ng bye. Wala. Wala akong gusto sabihin ng bye. Bahala kayo dyan.
PJ.
If there's anyone that I'd like to meet, I'd like to say I'd like to meet again my dad, whom I lost more than 20 years ago. And I always want to greet my mom, you know, wherever she is, whatever she's doing. I always want to greet her and just to make sure that she's okay. And same thing with JK. If there's anyone I'd like to say bye to, wala eh. See you again. See you again.
Nay?
Napapaisip tuloy ako sa tanong na to. Sino ba gusto kong mamit? Si Papa Brad Pitt. Ay, wow! Ano ba? Napakalaking ilusyonada ng babaeng to.
You don't know. Baka nanonood.
Oo nga, hello Papa.
Si Brad Pitt.
Di ba? Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung beauty talaga niya. Eh, sino naman ang i-greet? Sino ba ang i-greet? Siguro yung mga anak ko.
Okay.
Di ba? Hindi. May dalawa muna bago naging ako. Di ba? So, yung mga
Clingy
anak ko.
Clingy tong isang anak mo dito eh.
Oo, ganyan sila. Wala pa yan. Oo, wala pa yan.
Eh, yung bye, sino gusto mong sabihin ng bye?
Siguro yung bye, pwede kong sabihin na nung bata ko, marami akong masakit na dinadala. Pero yun ang gusto kong sabihin ng goodbye.
It doesn't have to be a person. Thank you, Nay. Belle? Kasama ka.
Nagulat ako. Sige, if there is one person, kung pwede, I wanna meet Jerry in real life, my character. I wanna know more about her. Greet, of course, my mom. I always want to greet her. I love waking up with my mom, seeing her every morning. I love greeting her. Bye, wala. Wala akong gustong sabihin ng bye. That's it.
Thank you, Belle. Okay, we're opening the floor for questions. Pero bago ako bumaba dyan, PJ, may na-notice lang ako dun sa trailer kanina.